and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I wanted to come on here and give you guys a realistic morning routine for me, and on this day in particular, it was a day that I was working from home, which meant that there really was not much to do, which is why this video is kind of short. If you guys would like to see a nighttime version, definitely let me know in the comments down below, because that is something I can do for you guys. And without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I do when I get up is head to the kitchen to have coffee and breakfast. For breakfast, lately I have been having one of the Van's gluten-free blueberry waffles. While I'm waiting for my waffle to toast, I go ahead and grab one of these Starbucks Vanilla Sweet Cream Nitro cold brews. This is my absolute favorite at-home coffee. And I go ahead and pour it into my Starbucks Lilac Grid cold cup. The color is beautiful. Once my waffle is done, I spread some butter on top, and I also add a little bit of syrup. When I am done eating, I bring my coffee with me to sip throughout the morning and head to the bathroom. And yes, the walls of my bathroom are different colors because it is currently in the process of being redone. As for my skincare and makeup, I always start by washing my face, and I have been using a new cleanser that I am absolutely in love with. This is the new Biore Brightening Jelly Cleanser, which helps get rid of any buildup in your pores, and it also brightens up your skin. I absolutely love the way it smells and love the jelly-like texture, and in the few weeks I have been using it, I have noticed my skin is a lot brighter than usual. Then I follow up using the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. This is my absolute favorite face cream. And if my lips are dry like they were today, I go ahead and use the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Berry. Next up, for my makeup, I have been keeping it really simple, and the first 3 products I have been using were sent to me by Jillian Dempsey. What is really nice about the products she offers is most of them can easily be applied using just your fingers, and most of them also have more than one use. I usually start by applying the cheek tint, which is a cream blush in the shade Petal, onto the apples of my cheeks, and this can also be used on your lips. Then I go in with the lid tint, which is a satin cream eyeshadow in the shade Glimmer, which can also be used as a highlighter, and put it all over my lid. After, I take the waterproof kohl eyeliner in the shade Rich Brown to line my upper lash line. And then I finish my makeup using the Stretch X mascara from Touch in Soul. I absolutely love the way this mascara makes my eyelashes look, and it doesn't make them look clumpy. Lastly, for things in the bathroom, I brush my teeth, and if you've seen my What I Got for Christmas haul, then you've already seen the toothbrush I use. For those of you who missed it, I recently started using the Philips One Sonicare toothbrush, and I absolutely love it. Before I begin working on my laptop, I like to grab a water in a liquid IV packet to keep me hydrated throughout the day and keep my electrolytes up. Liquid IV reached out to me and was kind enough to send me a few of their products to try, and I'm so happy they did because I am so in love with them. What's great about these is they come in single packets you can take on the go with you. They have a ton of different flavors to choose from, and they offer a wide variety of products. So far, my favorite is the Apple Pie Hydration Multiplier, which at first you would think would sound pretty gross, but it actually tastes really good. Their products are non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, made in the US, and are vegan. And this week, I will also be trying the Sleep Multiplier. Something else I really love is the packaging the sticks come in, because you can tear the top off, fold back the flap, and display them on a shelf in a way that you can easily see which box is which flavor. If you're interested in checking Liquid IV out, I will have the link in the description box. And if you use the coupon code Allies__life, you will receive 25% off your order along with free shipping. Then lastly, I sit down, open my laptop, and get started on my work. So that is just my realistic winter morning routine. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And like I mentioned in the beginning, if you guys would like to see a nighttime version, let me know in the comments down below, because I can definitely do that. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!